Hey, quiz lover! Welcome to Quiz Ferret! A to Z fruit quiz. Can you guess 3 fruits for every letter? You only have 3 seconds each. Let's see how smart you are. Comment your score at the end. Let's start. Before we start, subscribe for more fun quizzes. Letter A. Think of 3 fruits that start with A. Apple, apricot, and avocado. Letter B. Can you name 3 fruits that start with B? Time's up. Banana, blueberry, and blackberry. Letter C. Here comes C. Cherry, coconut, cantaloupe. Letter D. Can you name these? Date, dragon fruit, durian. Letter E. A tricky one. Elderberry, egg fruit, emu apple. Letter F. Let's go with F. Fig, feijoa, finger lime. Letter G, getting easier. Grape, guava, grapefruit. Letter H, think fast. Honeydew, huckleberry, hackberry. Letter I, a tough one. Indian fig, ice apple, ilama. Letter J, what about J? Jackfruit, jujube, Java apple. Letter K, keep going. Kiwi, kumquat, kaffir lime. Letter L, classic fruits. Lemon, lime, lychee. Letter M, one of the best letters. Mango, melon, mangosteen. Letter N, not so common. Nectarine, nance, noni. Letter O, almost halfway. Orange, olive, Ogan melon. Letter P, popular fruits here. Papaya, pineapple, peach. Letter Q, this one is rare. Quince, Kwandong, Queen Anne cherry. Letter R, you probably know these. Raspberry, rambutan, red currant. Letter S, sweet and tasty. Strawberry, sapodilla, star fruit. Letter T, think tropical. Tangerine, tomato, tamarind. Letter U, a bit challenging. Ugly fruit, uva ursi, umbu. Letter V, very unique. Vanilla, velvet apple, voavanga. Letter W, refreshing picks. Watermelon, wolfberry, wax apple. Letter X, super rare fruits. Chigua, Ximenia, xylocarp. Letter Y, almost there. Yellow passion fruit, yuzu, yangmei. Letter Z, final letter. Zucchini, ziziphus, de fruit. How many did you already know? Let me know your score and get ready for the next quiz.